Am I taking it right here? Right here?
Yep, right here.
Right here. 537. Where we at? Where we at?
Here.
You're back there? Fuck, dude.
He's very incoherent. He's probably not going to.
I can hear him. I'll go, Wesley. Told you. Hi.
I'll go.
Hunter, come here.
Hunter, come here. You're all right.
Come here.
I'll go taser.
All right. I've got you.
You got taser?
Hunter, come here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Buddy.
Yeah,
Come on, buddy.
Let's just get him.
Let's get you on flat ground, okay?
That's good. That's good.
All
That's good.
right, Hunter?
That's good.
Oh,
Are you
no.
okay? Are you okay?
Okay, okay.
All right.
You're all right?
Wait,
Just stay here, buddy.
You're okay.
Just stay here, buddy. We're going to get you help, okay?
No.
Hey.
Hey, get the fuck out of here, bro.
Hey,
Hunter.
I'm going to roll him. Roll.
Roll him.
That arm.
Trade
Get that arm.
Yep, you good?
I got it. I
did.
All right, buddy.
Wait on me.
All right.
What's he on? He looks like he's on something. Yeah, I would. And when we have him secure for now. We are code 4 right now.
Started out pretty mild and then started getting violent.
Yeah, he's in handcuffs, but he's real uncooperative. You've got him out. You might need to give him something.
Oh, Hunter.
Hunter. Calm down, Hunter.
Fucking
Hunter, we're going to get you help, buddy.
Dude, you're just going to hurt yourself, man.
We're going to get you help, okay? Don't resist us.
Hunter, relax.
Don't resist, buddy.
Hunter, breathe slow, in and out.
We're going to have to give him something like that.
Okay. Okay.
In slow, out slow, right, man? Hunter. In slow, out slow. Okay? In.
We clear code 1, huh?
Out.
Yeah, I
Okay.
thought I said that, but
5-3.
In.
Code 4.
see if we can
And out.
maybe
Hunter?
step it up a little bit.
Hunter, I know.
Hey guys, can you come on up real quick and get him?
Oh my God. Hunter. In slow, out
Yeah,
slow.
you're good, buddy.
It's all right, man. In slow, out slow.
LSD is what Dad's saying. He's still fighting pretty good.
In slow,
in and
out
of
slow.
consciousness.
But he did fall like face first.
The motherfucking.
Hunter.
Hey, let's.
Hunter. In slow, out slow.
You wanna?
I can't.
No, let's wait till late.
Still
Okay.
What?
So
Whoa.
we'll wait to roll him until they hit him.
You good, man?
In slow, out slow,
We
man.
got guys here to help you, okay, Hunter?
got a good airway there where you
Yeah,
can.
he's breathing.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's much better, right? In slow, out slow.
God
No.
damn.
Hunter.
You're
In
good,
slow,
man.
out slow, all right?
Hunter, relax. We're gonna try and help you, bud. Okay?
In slow, out slow.
Oh.
No, Hunter.
What's going on, man?
Okay.
You're
In
all
slow,
right.
out slow, all right?
Okay.
You're all right.
You might help him around. Lots of skid marks. But
I mean, I got him, but he's like.
Yeah, and he's got it.
This way, I think. Yeah, because he'll try and kick.
Oh yeah. I'm drawing it up right now. I tell you what, dude. Do me a favor.
Hunter, in slow, out slow, man.
We got people here to help you,
Slow
all
it
right?
down, all right?
You'll be all right, man.
We'll just do it. See, they got him handcuffed here, so we're good here. So.
Alan, would you
like to
set a vitals before you give the medication?
You know, the way he is right now, I think I'm not going to get it.
Why? Hunter,
Yeah.
in slow, out slow, man. Breathe slow, all right?
Once we get him
In-
sedated, we'll go
in
ahead
slow
and
out.
do the-
Oh, wait.
Hunter,
Yes!
Hunter, in
Hunter.
slow, out
Yes,
slow.
yes.
Don't try to get out of those
Hunter.
cuffs, man. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Yes! Come on!
Hey, Juan.
Motherfucking shit! What? The fucking...
You're doing good, man. You're doing good, Hunter.
You're gonna be all right, dude.
His eyes were like this big around.
Dude,
I mean,
like,
all
yeah.
big time.
Yeah, I mean, he came to the screen door
Surprise.
and then went
Oh.
straight out and fell right through.
All right, let's give this a little. Once we get him,
Oh yeah, this is
if
a
it goes down a little bit. If we do, we'll turn him over and see what we got in the facial
Okay.
frontal area.
All right. I actually, luckily, when he fell out,
I think his head missed a lot of this
because when he fell out, the door actually kind of caught him a little bit, and he fell more on his side.
Yeah, he may. So, like I said, once we get this
Oh,
working a
fuck
little
yeah,
bit,
bro.
we'll flip him over.
Oh, I
See what we're gonna do
see,
right
I
man.
see.
It may be
I am
medicated
not
enough.
Oh,
He's amped up pretty
oh,
good.
motherfucking god.
Off the ground with my entire body weight.
Yeah.
Press a little hamstring, Carl.
Yeah.
Do me one more
I think
favor.
this is jacked.
Oh, wait.
It looks okay.
Suffering?
I think you're right.
Yeah.
You're all right,
Yeah.
Hunter.
I saw that, but I mean, he's still been lifting me up almost the whole time. Like,
You got a bunch of dirt on your face, man.
What's his name?
Hunter?
Hey, Hunter. Hey, buddy. Hey, Hunter. Hey, buddy. How you feeling? How you doing, buddy?
I'm alright, man.
All right. You hurting anywhere?
I'm alright.
All right, buddy. All right. How about your head, buddy? Did you hurt your head?
yeah.
Did you hurt your head, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, in a second, we're gonna turn you over on your back. Okay? You all right with that?
No, don't you
Relax.
ever.
All right. I thought maybe it would
Don't
calm
you
Relax.
motherfucking reality.
That was right arm.
What's that, buddy?
Right arm.
But
Is right
Hunter?
buttocks.
Don't tits up, man.
Damn.
Hunter, calm down. Breathe slow, Hunter.
God
In
damn.
slow. Hey, Hunter. In slow, out slow, okay?
Yo.
Breathe in slow, out slow. There it is, right there, okay?
Okay, I got
There,
you.
that feels much better,
Yes,
right?
yes,
In and down. In and down. In slow, out slow, remember? Breathe in.
Yeah. You know what we do is do you have a choice of hospitals?
Do what?
Do you have a choice of hospitals?
Just, I guess Memorial, is that,
Memorial North?
yeah,
Okay.
is that okay?
That's perfect. All right, let's see where we're at. He's got a little bleeding from the shot. His elbows. Looks like that.
Holy
back in place.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy motherfucking shit,
Yeah,
bro.
this is the side he landed
That's
on.
What the fuck is
Yeah,
getting
this one he
you?
landed on.
Remember, in slow, out slow. Breathe in. And out. Nice and slow, alright? In slow, out slow. In slow, out slow. Hunter, remember?
Don't
In.
tense up.
Come on, man. Let's get it.
Hunter, remember? Breathe in, slow, out slow. In, slow, out slow, alright?
Oh, dude.
No.
You see how that is? Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, for your patrol to
this
do that.
is
He may,
easy.
well, once we get him back over there, but I mean, that's, but that's what he told you. All right. All right, I tell you what, while we're sitting for a little bit of time, let's go ahead and get a good pulse ox, and we'll do a blood pressure off his forearm, see where we're at. See if we let that med kick in a little bit more.
Doing good, Hunter. Doing good.
Here to help you, man. Turn your head to the side, Hunter. So that way your face isn't in the dirt.
Fuck is up.
It's okay, Hunter.
So,
Oh.
get the BP for me, buddy. Alright, once we get a halfway decent BP, we'll go ahead and what we'll do on the cot, we'll put him supine, and even with the arms behind, I'm okay with that. Yeah. So we get big visual on him, and then we'll see what he is at pulse ox. Once we get him off his stomach.
Yeah, and then I had the legs already.
Yeah, that's what I'm. This medicine is slowly
Good job,
kicking
man.
in some more. If we get decent blood pressure,
Keep
we'll
that
go
breathing
with
up,
it.
alright? In slow, out slow.
Yeah, we'll roll them over. I mean,
Hunter.
we probably got
Hunter.
room here to roll them this way.
Hunter, you're just gonna hurt your wrists, man.
Blood pressure is still cycling.
Hunter.
Yeah, BP is still cycling.
Hunter, you have any hobbies? Hunter, you're just gonna hurt yourself, man. You're not gonna break the cuffs. Okay? Hunter, what do you like to do? You a gamer? You have any cool hobbies?
That's it? Alright, that's good.
You're doing good, man. He's still breathing pretty good, though. Most definitely.
Oh yeah, he's still got the juju going. So
My knees are red just from
just
putting
doing
so
it.
much pressure on
So
him.
here's the deal. Once
good,
we
man.
roll him over here, you guys take care of the front.
He's snoring now.
Each arm. Okay. I'm gonna pull this out, buddy.
Okay, so we're rolling them that way.
All right. Yeah, roll him towards me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
All right. Clear his mouth as we can.
Yeah.
Do me a favor. Where's the? What do you need?
Put something over his.
Give me a gauze with saline. Let's clear his throat. Okay, so we'll put it as close over here as we can, and then we'll lift him up. Relax, buddy. Relax.
Okay, Hunter.
Relax.
Okay.
Hunter, it's okay.
Okay.
He just got dirt in it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they are. Surprisingly enough, I don't think he.
I think he
I
missed
think
his
the
head
one-
when he
I
fell.
think he missed his head completely.
Okay.
Yeah, because he hit that door and kind of spun out.
You guys
Hunter,
got
I'm
both
gonna clean your
feet?
mouth out, okay?
Yep.
Both feet? All right. And you guys got a good hold on him? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yeah.
Memorial North.
Hunter, lay your head back, man. Hunter.
Relax, buddy. Relax, relax, relax. Where you at here? There we go. Yeah, we'll just secure his legs so we don't have to play with that game anymore.
Did we get a blood pressure or did it not work?
I don't know, did this cycle, Bryce?
Yeah, just kept cycling.
Okay.
What's that, boys?
You know what? You got him right there. That's a good call. Let's just do this so we don't have to mess with this one anymore.
Doing good, Hunter. Breathe in and out, man. Keep it slow, all right? Doing good, man.
Perfect. All right. Once you secure it, everybody will go.
One of us will ride with you because the handcuff. We're definitely gonna follow you.
Yeah, if you guys want to meet us over there, or one of you guys want to ride on,
Why don't you guys follow right behind?
Yes, sir.
check your head out here, okay? Your head
I knew
hurt
that
at
was
all?
probably.
Yeah. Smart play.
I hear this screaming from inside.
Well, when we saw you arrive, we were like, uh-oh.
Well, I was trying to get you back. I wasn't going to engage.
Yeah.
Me and the dude.
It's pretty amazing he didn't hit his head though. I think because he missed.
Well, actually, what happened is that door. It was still
Spun him.
closed, and it spun him this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, fell out.
Where are we going? Hospital.
Memorial North.
Human nurse?
Yeah. Okay. Anyway.
Probably about 7 degrees.
And contact and recording.